Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use masking effect in CapCut. That is the best video editing software for beginners. You can use this application for different devices such as Android devices, iPad and laptop devices. Here you can go and open this software and start a project. Now let me go and select the files. Let me select one of the file, drag this file here at the bottom. Then you can wait for a few seconds so that this file gets ready to use. So now on the top right side, these are all the features that you can easily use. So first of all, let me split some unwanted area of the video. This one, let me remove this video part, and after that, now let me click on this video, and then here you can see this one, masking effect. Then here you need to add a mask. Click here. So still here you can see these masks are loading. So you can create different type of mask such as circle, rectangle and different other shapes. So I think mostly this one is used, circle. This one. Now you can go back and click on basic settings. So now you can drag your video at any position